Jamaica celebrates 58 years as an independent nation, and 8 deserving contributors have been awarded. Cool 97 FM salutes another icon of entertainment and media.
Prolific reggae singer-songwriter Eric Donaldson was born on June 11, 1947 in Kent Village, St. Catherine. He lived as a teenager close to Studio One and recorded his first single there, but it is said that producer Clement Coxon Dodd refused to release the material. Undaunted, Eric went on to form the West Indians in the mid-1960s with Leslie Burke and Hector Brooks. Together, they created a hit with the J.J. Johnson-produced Right on Time in 1968. Donaldson then went on to record with Lee Scratch Perry, resulting in a name change to the Kilowatts. This was unfortunately short-lived, as the collaboration did not come to fruition. Eric Donaldson pursued a solo career despite discouragements and submitted Cherry-O Baby to the 1971 Jamaican Festival Song Competition.
Well, festival was like fun, yes, because first I entered the competition and I was longing to enter the competition for years, and I think it was a good enjoyment to celebrate the independence of Jamaica, you know. So that's why I stick with it.
The submission not only won the competition, but it became a massive hit in Jamaica.
Well, so far I would have said Cherry-O Baby is the biggest hit that I have, and the Rolling Stone did a version of it also, UB40.
He won the Festival Song Competition 5 more times in 1977, 1978, 1984, 1993, and 1997. 2 of Eric's epic festival song wins, Sweet Jamaica and Land of My Birth, were both written by Winston Wallace and are commonly rebranded as anthems that Jamaicans sing with pride. Eric Donaldson continued to issue albums in the 1970s with releases like Miserable Woman, What a Festival, and Freedom Street. Eric currently runs the Cherry-O Baby Go-Go Bar in his hometown and has enough community spirit to supply a multitude. He contributes to the Kent Village Basic School and has also formed and managed youth clubs in the Kent Village community. Thank you, Eric Donaldson, for your immense contribution to the music industry over the years. Cool 97 FM salutes you. Congratulations.
Oh, Cherry-O Baby, don't you know I'm in love with you? Yes, this is Eric Donaldson, and I want to show my appreciation to the Minister of Culture, Miss Babsy Grange, collaborating with the JCDC to make this citation and this beautiful award to Hyman Eric Donaldson a reality. So I accept honestly, peacefully, and lovingly. And one more thing I want to say, muito obrigado. Cool 97 FM, stay cool.
This feature was produced by Abigail Wilson and Norman Marsh.
Cool 97 FM salutes this year's recipients of national honors and awards. Thank you for your undeniable impact on the nation.